Do you often find yourself splurging on those overpriced health products that promise the moon but deliver nothing? Well, fear not, because today we're diving into Grandma's favorite wellness secret, castor oil. That's right, the same oil she used to give you as a child for constipation is now making waves in the health and beauty world. But is it all just hype, or does it actually work? Stick around, and in today's video, we'll explore the benefits and risks of using castor oil. Let's find out if this oily potion lives up to the fuss. 1. A powerful laxative. One of the most well-known medicinal applications of castor oil is as a natural laxative. It is classified as a stimulative laxative, which means that it increases the movement of the muscles that push material through the intestines, thereby aiding in bowel clearance. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has approved castor oil as a stimulative laxative. Stimulative laxatives are commonly used to relieve temporary constipation or to clean out the bowel before medical procedures. Here's how it works in general. Castor oil is broken down in the small intestine after consumption, releasing ricinoleic acid, the main fatty acid in castor oil. The ricinoleic acid is then absorbed by the intestine, causing it to produce a strong laxative effect. Castor oil has been shown in several studies to relieve constipation. For example, a 2011 study discovered that taking castor oil reduced constipation symptoms, such as less straining during bowel movements and lower reported feelings of incomplete bowel movements. Furthermore, another study found that castor oil was effective at cleansing people's bowels before a non-invasive type of colonoscopy called a colon capsule endoscopy. While small amounts of castor oil are considered safe, larger amounts can cause abdominal cramping, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Although castor oil can be used to relieve occasional constipation, it is not recommended as a long-term health treatment. Also, before using castor oil to treat constipation, consult with a healthcare professional to get their advice. Misusing castor oil can result in dangerous side effects such as electrolyte and acid-base imbalances, which can be fatal. 2. A natural moisturizer. Castor oil is high in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid. These fats can be used to moisturize the skin. They act as occlusive moisturizers, preventing or reducing water loss through the skin's outer layer. Castor oil is used in cosmetics to promote hydration. It is frequently added by manufacturers to products such as lotions, makeup, and cleansers. You can also use this rich oil on its own as a natural alternative to store-bought moisturizers and lotions. Many popular store-bought moisturizing products contain potentially harmful ingredients such as preservatives, perfumes, and dyes, which can irritate the skin and harm overall health. By substituting castor oil for these products, you can reduce your exposure to these additives. Furthermore, castor oil is inexpensive and can be used on both your face and body. Because castor oil is thick, it is frequently combined with other skin-friendly oils such as almond, olive, and coconut oil to create an ultra-hydrating moisturizer. Though applying castor oil to the skin is generally considered safe, it can cause an allergic reaction in some people. Also, pure castor oil may irritate some people's skin, so dilute it with another oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil. Test the combination on a small area of skin to see how your skin reacts to castor oil before applying it to larger areas. 3. May promote wound healing. Castor oil applied to wounds creates a moist environment that may aid in healing and prevent sores from drying out. Venilex, a popular wound care ointment, contains a combination of castor oil and Peru balsam, a balm derived from the Myroxylon balsamum tree. Venilex is a wound dressing used to treat chronic and acute wounds and skin ulcers such as pressure ulcers, diabetic ulcers, burns, and surgical wounds. It aids in the reduction of odors, the protection of wounds, and the creation of a moist environment conducive to healing. Furthermore, the main fatty acid found in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It may help reduce skin inflammation, promote healing, and alleviate pain in people who have wounds. Castor oil ointments have been shown in studies to be effective for treating a variety of wounds. In a 2013 case study, an 81-year-old man who was unable to tolerate other forms of topical therapy was helped heal an abdominal surgical wound with a spray containing a combination of balsam of Peru, castor oil, and an enzyme called trypsin. Remember that castor oil topical wound treatments are made up of a variety of ingredients, not just castor oil. You should not apply castor oil to any wound without first consulting a healthcare professional. 4. May help clean and store dentures. On dentures, a variety of bacteria and fungi, including Candida fungi, thrive. If dentures are not properly cleaned and stored, this can lead to oral problems. Candida species, such as Candida albicans, are particularly troublesome for denture wearers because they easily adhere to denture surfaces and mouth tissues. A Candida fungi overgrowth can cause denture stomatitis, an infection that causes inflammation, redness, and irritation in the mouth. On the other hand, cleaning dentures with castor oil may help reduce the risk of developing denture stomatitis because castor oil can help kill bacteria and fungi. According to one study, soaking contaminated acrylic teeth in a 10% castor oil solution for 20 minutes helped reduce the number of Candida albicans as well as other harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans and Staphylococcus aureus. Furthermore, a 2013 study of 30 older people with denture-related stomatitis found that using a castor oil-containing mouthwash improved clinical signs of stomatitis, including inflammation. Another study discovered that brushing and soaking dentures in a castor oil solution resulted in significant reductions in Candida in older people who wore dentures. 5. May help with joint pain. If you're constantly reaching for painkillers when arthritis flares up, castor oil could be a game changer. For centuries, it's been used to relieve joint pain, inflammation, and swelling associated with arthritis. Some animal studies even show that applying ricinoleic acid, the main component of castor oil, to the skin can provide remarkable pain relief. However, more research is needed to determine its safety and effectiveness for humans. Still, if you're suffering from arthritis pain, it might be worth giving castor oil a try. 6. May reduce foot inflammation. Castor oil isn't just for arthritis pain, it can also help with plantar fasciitis. This condition involves inflammation in the tissue on the bottom of your foot. Studies have shown that patients with plantar heel spurs, a condition associated with plantar fasciitis, found great relief after using castor oil. So, kick off those shoes and give your feet some TLC with the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil. 7. Castor oil for labor induction. Expecting a little one? Castor oil might be your new best friend in the labor room. Studies have shown that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil can activate receptors in the uterus, helping kickstart the labor process. But, and it's a big but, always check with your doctor before trying any new labor-inducing methods. Castor oil can make you feel nauseous and cause extreme diarrhea, not exactly what you want during labor. Can castor oil support hair growth and scalp health? Castor oil is widely used as a natural hair treatment. This is due to the moisturizing properties of castor oil, which may help lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the risk of breakage. Even though some people use castor oil regularly as part of their hair care routine, there is currently no scientific evidence that castor oil promotes hair health, stimulates hair growth, or reduces hair loss. The same is true for applying castor oil to your lashes. Some people use castor oil to grow their eyelashes, but no scientific studies have shown that it works. Castor oil is also widely used to treat dandruff, a common scalp condition characterized by dry, flaky skin on the scalp. While castor oil is an ingredient in some effective dandruff hair treatments, there is no evidence that castor oil alone is effective for treating dandruff. Castor oil has been linked to a condition known as acute hair felting in people with long hair. The hair in this condition becomes twisted and tangled, resembling a hard bird's nest. According to one case study, a 20-year-old woman with long hair used a combination of coconut and castor oil on her hair, and it became severely matted immediately after washing. According to the study's authors, the thickness of the castor oil combined with the woman's extremely long hair caused sudden felting. Typically, acute hair felting cannot be treated and must be removed. Even though this condition is uncommon, people with long hair should exercise caution when using castor oil as a hair treatment. Now that you're well informed about the benefits and potential risks of castor oil, give it a try if it suits your needs. Just remember, while castor oil is versatile and has its advantages, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. As always, if you've tried castor oil before, let us know your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos.